Hi everyone. Hope you are fine. Today we are going to talk about the best travel cameras to buy in 2018. Subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Also like, share and comment on our videos. Prices and reviews is in description. 1. Panasonic TZ100. The premium compact sector of the market remains one of the most interesting. Here we have something not offered by any of the others in the shape of a 10x optical zoom, that makes it particularly appealing for the versatility it gives while traveling. The 1-inch sensor produces bright and vibrant images, while the maximum aperture of the lens starts at f/2.8, but quickly drops to f/5.9, making it less useful in low light than its Sony RX100 V rival. Still, there's a small, but usable, viewfinder, a touch-sensitive screen and 4K video recording available, all in all a very versatile little travel compact. 2. Sony RX100 V. Sony's most premium compact really is the ultimate compact camera, and you won't find anything better than it on the market. Sadly, you probably also won't find anything this expensive. Still, if it's something you'll have on you all the time, perhaps it could be considered good value for money. For your cash, you get an excellent sensor, coupled with a great lens, which offers the old favorite of 24 to 70 mm equivalent, as well as maximum apertures of f/1.8 f/2.8 for low light shooting. The RX100 V can shoot super quickly too, and it even records 4K video. There's not much to dislike here, but be prepared to pay for it. 3. Sony RX10 IV. To use the term bridge camera with the RX10 IV would be doing it a disservice, as this term has generally been met with snooty derision from serious photographers. While it may well be one in the strictest sense of the word, the RX10 IV arguably redefines the genre, producing the ultimate all-rounder which is ideally targeted at travelers who want the image quality of an interchangeable lens camera and a bunch of optics, but don't want to carry them around. Here you've got a 25x optical zoom lens, which also manages reasonably wide apertures of f/2.4-4, particularly impressive at the 600mm end, along with a high-quality EVF, fantastic AF system and a very well-performing sensor. Take this on your safari holiday and you won't be disappointed, just be prepared to shell out the big bucks. 4. Fujifilm X100 F. Perfect for city breaks, the X100 F is easily the most attractive camera on our list. Oozing with retro style, the X100 F is about more than just looks though. It houses a fantastic APS-C-sized sensor, which is perfectly matched to a 23mm f/2.0 lens which gives you a 35mm equivalent. While some may not appreciate only having one focal length, it forces you to think about your composition, and is a lot more versatile than you might think. It's a shame there's no touch screen here to make grabbing those quick street shots a little easier, and the price is pretty high for what is ultimately a niche model, but it produces travel photos which are just so easy to fall in love with. 5. GoPro Hero 6. GoPro holds on to its crown of king of the action cameras with its latest Hero 6 incarnation. Waterproof down to 10 meters without any need for a casing, you can trust the Hero 6 to accompany you on pretty much all of your adventure holidays. Whack on the extra housing to take it even deeper, while the massive range of compatible mounts and accessories continues to grow. Other impressive specs include an improved touchscreen, video recording at 4K up to 60 fps, no image stabilization at this level though, and the ability to condense your day's recording into a single movie using the Quick Stories app, perfect for encapsulating all your holiday memories. 6. Nikon D500. While for some, travel photography equates to pocket-friendly cameras, for others, it's about finding something which offers the best all-round capability and gives you options to be flexible. The Nikon D500 is quite probably the best APS-C DSLR on the market right now, offering 10 fps shooting, a great viewfinder, a tilting screen and a high-performing sensor. If you want to keep things light, then the 16 to 80mm f/2.8-4 kit lens which often comes bundled with the D500 is a great option for travelers, giving you the option to swap out for extra length, or perhaps extra width, should you need it. 7. Panasonic G9. Easily one of the best compact system cameras on the market, the Panasonic G9 is a great all-rounder for a wide range of travel subjects. If you're shooting wildlife, the 20 fps, at full resolution, burst speed is sure to appeal, while the fine detail and excellent colors produced by the sensor make it good to capture landscapes, portraits and everything in between. While the G9 may be relatively bulky for a compact system camera, since the micro Four Thirds system is small, you can fit a slew of lenses in your hand luggage while barely noticing they're there, something you won't get with a full-frame alternative.